Come on, girls, get it. Get it, JJ. Get it, Moo. Get it. Trim it. Come on. Come on. Get it. Come on. Come on, girls. You can do it. Get it, Moo. Get it, JJ. Woo! That's good. Come on. Get it. Come on. Trim it. Get it, JJ. Get it, JJ. Come on, JJ. Jump. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Moo, you okay? Well, don't eat the tree, Moo. Hayden, don't eat the tree. Get it, JJ. Yay, JJ. Moo. Hayden, help her out. Hayden. Fine, don't help her. Woo! Nice job. Way to go. Get it, girl. Get it. Yeah, well, now Hayden comes. You guys are funny. Jump. Oh, we're good. We got it. We got it. Now what are you going to do? My trees look this good from these two girls. They are good. With the big babies. All done? Are we going to get it? Get it. Woo! Almost. Come on. You can go swimming when you're done. I guess we don't like that branch. How about a different branch? That one's about had it. Can we go for a different one? Guess not. Oh, get that branch. We don't like it. Look at you. Look how big you are. Such a big girl. Oh. Come on, Hayden. You can get it. Are you okay, Jaden? You pooped? Are you pooped? Nope, you're not pooped. You could do this all night. This is like the most fun in the whole wide world. And we're up. And we're up. And we're up. And Hayden's up. Hayden! Yay! Alright, well that's a lot of fun watching dogs prune a tree.